Ever leave a comment on Facebook and immediately regret it? Or maybe you just want to track down a hilarious thread you chimed in from 5 years ago. Whatever the reason, today I'm going to show you exactly how to find every single comment you ever made on Facebook. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm also going to show you a hidden trick to bulk delete those cringy old comments in just one click. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the easiest method. If the comment you're looking for is recent, someone has likely replied to it or liked it. Look at the bottom of your screen and tap your notifications icon. If your comment is there, just tap notification and boom, you're instantly transported back to the exact post. But what if you don't see it? What if you're looking for a comment from last week, last month, or even a decade ago? Here's the ultimate way to find it. We need to access your Facebook activity log. Here's exactly how to do it. Tap the menu button at the bottom right of your screen, and now tap on those three little dots. And from this menu, select Activity Log. This page literally shows everything you've ever done on Facebook. Since we don't want to scroll through all that, we need to filter it down. To isolate just your comments, follow these quick steps. Tap Manage Activity. Now select Manage Comments and Reactions. And there you have it. You are now looking at a master list of every comment you ever made on the platform. Now for the trick I promised you at the beginning of the video. What do you actually do with these comments now that you found them? If you tap the three dots next to any individual comment, you have two choices. You can click View to see the original post and context, or you can hit Delete to erase it from existence. I hope this video helped you track down exactly what you're looking for. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll promise I'll be able to find them. Hit the like button if this was helpful, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.